Are you struggling to boost your Mturk earning due to their first come, first served basis nature? Well, catching those hits is often a difficult job, especially when you are expected to work on tasks and manually search, filter, and accept hits simultaneously. This not only reduces your work efficiency, but also lowers your wage rate. Since 2019, Turk Guru has been helping Mechanical Turk workers get more tasks by automatically accepting tasks posted on the crowdsourcing marketplace. Our software is designed to catch the tasks as soon as they are posted on Mturk by preset user preferences that filter out the unwanted tasks. Once filtered, Turk Guru sends requests to Mturk for automatically accepting the eligible hits. The best part is, all this filtering happens in milliseconds in the background, boosting your chance of catching a hit without needing you to compromise on your work. Getting started is simple. Just install our browser extension to enjoy our 7 days free trial. No credit card is needed. Start automatically accepting tasks you like while working on Amazon Mechanical Turk. After the trial period ends, using Turk Guru is just $9.99 per month, which you might even recover before the trial ends. It's that easy. Go ahead, install Turk Guru today.